From wild environmental science comes the world's most endangered animals. Some of the Earth's most incredible creatures are under threat. Learning about these animals and why they are endangered is the first step towards helping them to survive. Discover fascinating facts about 20 of the world's most endangered animals. Make and paint realistic plaster models of a lowland gorilla, blue-throated macaw, Sumatran tiger, Hawaiian monk seal, lemur leaf frog, and green sea turtle. Use a sticker sheet to create a spectacular world map poster by placing the animals in their correct locations. Play 3 fun games with animal cards, featuring photos and facts about each animal. Try your luck at Animal Keeper. Test your memory with Animal Memory. And see how many animal locations you can name in the Animal Quiz. What can you do to protect the world's most endangered animals from threats like habitat loss, climate change, and sea level rise? Also, from wild environmental science, explore the world's most extreme animals, the world's most freaky animals, and, if you're brave enough, the world's most deadly animals. 4 collectible science and craft kits by Wild Environmental Science.